Which table saw miter gauge is actually good? It's a simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to help you make a choice that really works. Product number 1, Vevor Precision Miter Gauge, 1935 in. First up is the Vevor Precision Miter Gauge. Priced at $81.90, this gauge immediately stood out with its solid aluminum construction and multiple angle stop holes. If you want precision in your woodworking, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This miter gauge fits the vast majority of standard table saw slots, making it super versatile. It has 15 positive stop holes, including a 90-degree stop, and additional stops at 15 degrees, 22 5 degrees, 30 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 67 5 degrees. This means you can tackle a wide variety of cuts with ease. Plus, the adjustable plunger helps eliminate gaps, ensuring a snug fit that improves accuracy. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy at 4.83 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might be heavier than some, that added weight often translates to better stability during cuts, which isn't a deal breaker for most woodworkers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly miter gauge that delivers on precision. Skip this one if you own a smaller saw with a non-standard slot that won't accommodate this gauge. For the price, it's a solid investment in your woodworking toolkit. Now, if that weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vevor Precision Miter Gauge 18 in. Next, we have another Vevor miter gauge, this one with an 18-inch grading priced at $60.90. Its sleek design and impressive features caught my eye right away. If you're after a reliable, budget-friendly option, this one is worth considering. What's great about this model is it still retains the same quality as the previous one, but it's lighter and a bit more affordable. It fits the same standard slots and has that adjustable spring-loaded plunger that ensures a perfect fit. The precision angle cutting with 15 stop holes is a game changer for those intricate projects where accuracy is key. Some users did mention that they found the assembly a bit tricky at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the setup becomes pretty straightforward and the gauge holds its own under pressure. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with woodworking and want a dependable tool without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're a seasoned pro looking for high-end features. For this price, you really can't go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more length. Product number 3, Vevor Precision Miter Gauge 24 in. Coming in third is the Vevor Precision Miter Gauge with a 24-inch grading, retailing at $66.90. This one really caught my attention because of the extended length. If you want a gauge that can handle larger material, this is worth a serious look. This model shares many features with its 18-inch sibling, but the added length gives you more flexibility for bigger cuts. It still fits standard slots and maintains the same adjustable features for perfect angle cutting. It's like having a more versatile friend in your workshop, ready to help with any project. However, some users noted that the longer length can make it a bit unwieldy if you're working in a smaller space. But I'll be real with you, for those larger cuts, the extra length is invaluable and can simplify your work significantly. This is perfect for you if you regularly work with larger pieces of wood. Skip this if your workspace is cramped and you prefer something more compact. For the price, you're getting a lot of functionality here. Now, if the length is what you're after, let's check out a different style that caters to specific needs. Product number 4, Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System. Up next is the Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System, priced at $159. While it's a bit pricier, the features it offers really set it apart. If you're serious about woodworking and need high accuracy, this is worth considering. This system is designed for precision and repeatability, making it perfect for professionals or serious DIYers. The adjustable fence allows you to make accurate cuts every time, and its durable construction means it can handle frequent use without breaking down. Some buyers mentioned that the price feels steep compared to other models. But here's the deal, if you're investing in your craft, The accuracy and reliability this gauge provides can save you time and material in the long run, making it worth the initial cost. This is perfect for you if you need a top-tier miter gauge that guarantees precision. Skip it if you're just dabbling in woodworking and don't need that level of detail. For what you get, it's a solid investment for serious woodworkers. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still gets the job done, this next one is a hidden gem. Product number 5, Oschool Miter Bar Set. Last but not least, we have the Oschool Miter Bar Set, priced at $28.99. This one really surprised me with its functionality at such a low price point. If you're looking for an affordable solution for your crosscut sled, this is definitely worth a look. This set includes two 17-inch aluminum miter bars designed to fit standard slots perfectly. The adjustable expansion collars allow for a zero-play fit, meaning your cuts will be more accurate and your sled will run smoothly. It's simple but effective and perfect for DIY projects. However, some users pointed out that while it works great, it might not be as robust as some of the pricier options. But honestly, for occasional use and the price you pay, it's a fantastic deal that delivers solid performance. This is perfect for you if you need an economical way to enhance your woodworking jigs or sleds. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty solution. For what you pay, it's hard to beat the value. Now that we've gone through all 5, let's quickly wrap up what we've covered. So we've looked at the Vevor precision miter gauge options, the Kreg system for serious woodworkers, and the Oschool miter bar for budget-friendly solutions. Each one brings something different to the table, depending on your needs and budget. Choose wisely and happy woodworking.